Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Tash and I create a lot of beauty related videos. However, at the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, which I'm excited for because it's my first Japan unboxing. And the box that I'll be unboxing is YumeTwins. I hope I'm saying that right. YumeTwins. I don't know how it's pronounced, so apologies. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. So basically this just tells me everything that's in the box. Let's take out our first item. So first up, there is this My Melody Kurumi makeup bag, and it's lined in purple with a little pocket in it, which is super adorable. Let's see what that actually was called in the booklet. Okay, so it's called My Melody X Kurumi Festival Halloween Pouch. Trick or Treat, the special edition Halloween pouch features My Melody and Kurumi in a spooky yet festive setting. This pouch is the perfect size to store makeup, toiletries or stationery and will instantly get you into the Halloween spirit. Next, it's a squishy! A Sumiko Gurashi squishy. Okay, let's put it to the squishy test. Oh wow, that's really slow rising. That is good. So I'm squishing it and it's super slow rising, which is awesome. Okay, so you could have gotten one of two variations of that. So there was a Sumiko Gurashi squishy pudding or rice ball, and I got the rice ball. Halloween isn't complete without some good sweets and snacks. In your box comes an adorable Sumiko Gurashi pudding or rice ball squishy. Use it to decorate your room or bag. And me being so keen to open it and look at it, didn't even realize there was a little chain that I could attach it to. So the little chain just hangs there like that. Okay, what's the next thing? It's another My Melody Kurumi item. Oh, cute! It's a little compact mirror. And I absolutely love compact mirrors. They're so handy. So the description for the mirror was, a compact mirror always comes in handy, and since we love matching items, we chose this one to go with the pouch and hair. Oh, that just spoiled what was next. And hair comb. It can even stand by itself, so you can fix your makeup or hair wherever you go. So I'm going to put that mirror in the little pouch. Okay, so the next item is already spoiled because I read the description, but I don't know what it looks like. So it's a My Melody Kurumi hair comb. And it's foldable. So that's pretty nifty. How's it go against this wig? So that's really cute and nifty. And that can go in the pouch too. So the description on that was, fix your hair on the go with this adorable mini folding hair comb. Carry it in your bag or attach it to your keys or matching Halloween pouch. Your hair will look fabulous. So from that page, that shows that there's one item left. It is this Sumiko Gurashi light. Okay, so it doesn't include batteries, and I don't actually have batteries on hand at the moment, so I can't test it out right now. But this is the design that's on it. So it's got this little image on the top, which I'm guessing once it's turned on will project onto the ceiling. This is super adorable. Can't wait to try it out when I get batteries. So that concludes this unboxing of YumeTwins October 2019. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next 31 days of Halloween videos. Bye!